Today, Mermaidcore, that is the theme. And we are gonna be using these 3 plates. First, I'm gonna be featuring M005, and we'll be using this really cute fish tail jumping out of the water. And let's take off the little tail. Bye-bye, little tail. We're just gonna keep the big one. And let's do some reverse stamping here as well. So now this was Frosty with a top coat of seaweed. We're gonna go ahead and put a thin layer over the top of this with our sticky base coat so we can transfer our mermaid tail. So for the bottom part, I'm actually going to stamp those bubbles wherever I feel like I need to. And this is an oldie but goodie. And let's do this under the sea. I love how this turned out. What do you guys think? And we got this one too. This plate is M370, and I will be doing a reverse stamping of this Little Mermaid over here. So this is inspired by the live action Little Mermaid movie that has come out. I could go ahead and, you know, grab a thicker brush if I wanted to, but I have the ability to grab as much or as little as I want with these brushes. So this mermaid is good to go. Now we just gotta wait. And so once I put the sticky base coat onto the base of the nail, I can go ahead and transfer this image on with no problem, because I will be utilizing its tackiness. Okay, hope that you get your Mermaidcore on and try these really cool designs.